Hi, this topic is all about multiplying whole number by a mixed number. So let us have examples. Number 1, we have 2 times 2 and 1/3. So let us have an equal sign. Ilipat natin yung 2 dito sa kabila. Then after that, a multiplication sign. Then a fraction sign. Now, we are going to change mixed number to an improper fraction, which is 2 and 1/3. So let us multiply now. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we are going to add the numerator 1, gives the sum of 7. Then after that, we are going to copy the denominator here. So 2 and 1/3 now is changed to 7/3. So pwede na tayo mag-multiply. Then, let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Whole number 2 is the same as 2/1. So, diretso na tayo. I-multiply na natin yung 2 times 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. So, ilalagay natin dito as numerator. Then, copy lang natin yung denominator na 3. So, 14/3 is an improper fraction. Therefore, we need to simplify, or we are going to reduce our answer to the lowest term. So, let us have now an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Ang gagamitin ko dito ay ang shortcut method to reduce the answer into the lowest term. Copy lang natin yung denominator here, 3. Then, ask now, how many 3 are there in 14? Ilang tatlo daw ang meron sa 14? 4, di ba po? So, ilalagay natin yung 4 as a whole number here. Then after that, we are going to multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Ilan ang kulang ng 12 na magiging 14? Siyempre, dalawa, di ba po? So, ilalagay natin yung 2 as a numerator here. Now, look at now 2/3. Is 2/3 in the lowest term? Ang 2 at saka 3, ang kanilang GCF or the common factor is only 1. They have no common factor. Therefore, 4 and 2/3 now is the final answer. Next, itong pamamaraan naman, pwede naman yung gamitin. This time, we are going to divide 14 divided by 3. Okay? So, let us have now an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Let us have a division sign. Then, we are going to divide now 14 divided by 3. So, ilalagay natin yung 14 dito as dividend. Then, ilalagay din natin ang 3 as divisor. Then, after that, we are going to divide 14 divided by 3 and it gives the quotient of 4. Okay. Then, after that, multiply 4 times 3 and it gives the product of 12. Then, a fraction sign. Then, isubtract natin yung 14 minus 12, it gives the difference of 2. Tapos, okay. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ganito. Yung quotient ay ilalagay natin as a whole number. Then, yung remainder naman ay ilalagay natin as numerator. Then, ang divisor naman ay ilalagay natin as denominator. Okay. So, tapos na. Alright, so next is, we are going to multiply mixed fraction by a whole number. So let us have 1 and 2/3 times 4. Let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Then after that, we are going to multiply 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. Idadagdag natin yung numerator. Then ilan ang sagot? 5. Then after that, copy lang natin yung denominator here. So, 1 and 2/3 now is changed to 5/3. Then, pagkatapos niyan, let us have now, lipat natin yung multiplication sign here. Then, after that, yung whole number na 4. Okay? So, since na-change na natin ang 1 and 2/3 sa 5/3, so, pwede na tayo mag-multiply. Let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Ang whole number 4 na yan is the same as 4/1. So, hindi ko na pinakita dyan yung over 1. Pwede naman diretso na natin i-multiply. Di ba po? So, we are going to multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. Then, we are going to write here as numerator. Then, copy the denominator here. And after that, Look at the answer. Is 20 over 3 in the lowest term? Or 20 over 3 is simplified? Hindi pa po, di ba? Siya ay improper fraction. Therefore, we need to simplify. So, let us have an equal sign, then a fraction sign. Tapos niyan, copy lang natin yung denominator here. Then, we are going to ask now, how many 3 are there in 20? Ilang tatlo ang meron sa 20? Di ba po? 6. So, ilalagay natin yung 6 as a whole number. Then, after that, we are going to multiply 3 times 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. Then, ilan ang kulang ng 18 na magiging 20? Di ba po, dalawa lang. So, ilalagay natin as numerator. 20 now over 3 is changed to 6 and 2/3 or simplified as 6 and 2/3. Now, ang titingnan natin dito ay ang fraction na 2/3. Is 2/3 in the simplest form? Yes, it is. Kasi ang kanilang GCF na lang ay 1. Therefore, 6 and 2/3 is the final answer. Ito, napakadali lang. So, try to solve the following. Number 1, 1 times 4 and 3/5. Number 2, 2 times 3 and 1/5. Number 3, 3 times 1 and 5/6. In number 4, we have 1 and 7 over 8 times 3. Then, number 5, we have 2 and 7/9 times 5. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng 2 minutes to answer. Then, after that, we are going to check your answers. Right? Time is up. Let us check your answers. Number 1, 4 and 3/5. Number 2, 6 and 2/5. Number 3, 5 and 1/2. Number 4, 5 and 5/8. Number 5, 8 and 1/3. Alright, sino nakakuha ng 5 over 5? Congratulations! Before I end this video, maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-subscribe at sa mga di pa po nakapag-subscribe, please click the subscribe and bell button para ma-notify tayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. Maraming salamat po.